Dubai for almost 2 to 3 years now. So basically, I'm here today to tell you about TradeHive. This unique platform is going to help you maximize and optimize your trades with the help of an AI bot that can help you execute continuously profitable trades with no risk and no collaterals. And I want to take you through all the features of this platform, also supported with some demos that are going to be done with my colleague. And I just want to show you how amazing this platform is and how it can help you level up your trading strategies and maximize your profits. So let's see what it's all about. And I want to tell you a little bit about the background of how this platform has been created. Basically, I'm related with SFXTX Lab, which is a UAE-based lab, and they've collaborated with Silicon Swamp, which is a US-based lab, and they've come together to create this platform where a number of traders can use this bot in order to execute a lot of high-frequency trades and enable to maximize their profits and increase their earning on a daily basis. So just keep in mind, this is a disclaimer that we're supposed to let everyone know about. If you're involved in any kind of cryptocurrency trading, then you should know that the market conditions are really volatile and things can change really quickly. So that means a lot of financial risk is at stake. You might end up getting a few certain losses here and there. So just keep that in mind anytime you're being involved in any kind of cryptocurrency trading. And it's our responsibility to let you know of this kind of thing. So keep that in mind and make an informed decision before enrolling in any kind of cryptocurrency trading. So TradeHive basically is a hub where there's research and development done for technologies that are related to finance, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. So this platform basically leverages AI to optimize your trading strategies. You can take flash loans to execute trades with no collaterals at all. There are no credit checks done on you, and you can take a number of loans to execute trades. So this means that you can execute a huge number of trades. It gives you a lot of opportunities where you don't have to take any risk and you can just confidently execute trades. So let's go ahead and explore this solution further. So basically AI, right? Everyone has heard of it. You might have used ChatGPT on a daily basis by now. So basically this is a certain kind of technology where there's a lot of data fed into this, and it's able to recognize patterns and make really fast decisions. Of course, a human cannot catch up with this speed. So we as humans can leverage this technology to make a lot of high frequency trades, and that's what TradeHive enables us to do. You might have heard of autonomous vehicles and automated cars, a virtual assistants, which basically just automate a lot of your monotonous, boring tasks, which you would not do and rather enable someone else to do it. So AI enables us to do all of these things in 2024. And of course, AI has reached into the cryptocurrency trading platform as well. And this has come to you through TradeHive. So DeFi flash loans, I mentioned the word flash loans earlier, but basically it's just like an innovative platform. It's an innovative solution where you can take a lot of loans without any collateral or any kind of credit check, where you can take this loan and execute your trade instantly. So each trade transaction is about 15 to 20 seconds. That's how long it's going to take you. So basically you can instantly borrow your credits from a certain lender, execute the trade, and once it's completed, the money automatically goes back to the lender. So this enables risk-free and no losses for both the lender or the borrower. As a borrower, you don't have any worries as to how you're going to return this money back to the borrower in any sort. So basically, it's all automated through a bot. And there is a technology called smart contracts, which enables all of this. So if you even execute a trade where there's no profit at all, then the entire transaction is completely nullified. So that gives you the opportunity of not worrying about where your loan's going to come from or how you're going to return it and if the transaction is going to be profitable or not. So this gives you a lot of unique trading opportunities, and even the entire hustle of just finding one profitable transaction or what the value of each trading pair is going to be like, all of it is automated with the bot because it's an AI enabled bot. So this generates a lot of different kind of market opportunities. So if you want to trade in equity with company shares or do forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, commodities where you're probably buying oil price, sugar, and these kind of things, then you can trade all of that. But we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency because our platform is based on cryptocurrency. And there's a certain kind of risk that's involved in all kinds of trades, right? For example, if you're taking a future risk, where you're buying a certain asset and that asset's value is going to change within time because, of course, market conditions are not reliable. So that in that kind of a scenario, your risk is really high because you don't know what the future holds on. And even if you're taking on a spot risk, then there's a modern medium level of risk that's involved in it. But when we're talking about arbitrage, basically you're considering one asset and you're comparing its value in two different markets. So there is a certain opportunity there, and you're able to assess that value within the real time, within the present day, and you're able to make those trades on the present day data. That means your risk is at the lowest. And this is basically what arbitrage is. And TradeHive automates this arbitrage trading for you. So you can conduct a high number of trades within arbitrage opportunities and maximize your profits with this. So that's why we would say that TradeHive is an innovative solution which will help you up your trading game. Basically, it just automates arbitrage for you. So how it exactly works is it enables you to do loss-free trading. It keeps your risks at the minimum, and it maximizes your profit at every trade that you're going to be executing. So basically, the whole platform works on a concept of fuel. So when you're inserting currency and you're buying a certain fuel package, you get a number of fuel credits, and these are the fuel credits that you will be able to spend on each trade and any number of trades that you're going to be doing on that certain day. And like I told you about a bot, an AI enabled bot, basically this bot works 24/7. It works around the clock, and it checks on what is happening exactly in the market, what are the conditions, what are the trending trading patterns, and it studies all of this for you. This happens because it has really advanced algorithm within it, which like basically automates a lot of manual work that you would have to do on your own, and it comes with a lot of confusion if you were the one to decide what the conditions are and what would be a safe bet or a safe trade to do. The bot makes sure that all of this is studied through, and it gives you real-time data where you can make an informed decisions. If the profits look good to you, you can execute the trade, and if not, you can completely reject it. And the bot suggests certain kind of trade opportunities where you do have a guarantee of up to 0.3% on a minimum profit and 0.6% or even more than that on per trade. Like each trade that you're executing, you have a range of 0.3 to 0.6% of profit on each trade that you're executing. And the bot is designed in a certain way where it has a certain amount on which you can apply for each trade. So for example, $60 is the maximum amount that you can trade each time, because this keeps your slippage risk at the minimum. If you are someone who wants to trade on a higher note or a higher amount, then you keep in mind that there is a lot of slippage risk involved in that, and you could be facing losses. So to avoid all of these kinds of things, the bot is automatically going to disable it, and the maximum amount that you can put on each trade is going to be $60. So the bot makes sure that you're not making any losses on any kind of trade. At best, you'll get the least amount of profit, but no losses. So in summary, if I had to talk about AI and crypto arbitrage, basically this bot continuously studies the market conditions for you. It has a lot of advanced algorithm which helps it do that. It studies all the real-time data, what the trending trading patterns could be, and it suggests you trading opportunities on that. And we'll also do a demo just to make sure you can see it in real time, how the bot exactly works. And this helps you to manage market volatility. And think about it, if you're the one who's executing trades and each time you make a profit, then your confidence is going to shoot up. If you're someone who's interested in trading, but you're worried about it because you don't have enough knowledge, then this is the platform for you, because you're going to be making at least a minimum amount of profit in each trade, and there's going to be no losses. Even if you make a profit, I mean, even if you make a trade where there's no profit, then the transaction is just nullified. So even the loan that you've taken or the amount that you've spent is going to be nullified. So that's not a concern as well on this platform. So it's a very intelligent approach, which is AI driven, which helps you make profits on each trade that you're doing. So you can make informed decisions, choose trades that have the highest number of profit inside those, reject it if it doesn't seem profitable to you, and get a good amount of earning on a daily basis. And of course, this depends on the size of your package, like how good and how premium your package is. Because as bigger the package gets, the more you can spend, the more amount of fuel credits you can use, the more you can use the bot to make profitable trades, right? So we're going to explore that in the next few slides. So flash loans and DeFi, basically they come here. We've innovated this in order to revolutionize the decentralized finance sector. Like I mentioned, the concept of flash loans, basically you get a huge access to a lot of lenders where you can just easily borrow money, execute a trade, and the money goes back to the lender. So both the lender and the borrower have no risk involved. And all of this is done by following the blockchain protocols. And if you execute a trade with no profits in it, then the transaction gets nullified. So it's a very risk-free trading platform. So this opens a lot of arbitrage trading opportunities for you. And there's basically no loss or no downside, I could say very confidently about it. So the workflow steps are pretty easy, pretty simple. You just create a Polygon wallet, buy a certain amount of Matic and insert that, and you're enabled to buy a certain fuel subscription package. And like I said, the bot is designed in a way where you can use it to execute certain number of trades, and this depends on what your fuel subscription package looks like. And if you want to trade with your friends or colleagues or anyone within your network, you can create a referral link, share it with them, and bring them on the platform and trade with them. So these are the four types of income that the platform enables you with. It's not just the daily trading that you do. Of course, that gives you a 0.3 to 1% profit on a daily basis. Apart from this, we have something called direct bonus, which gives you 10%, binary bonus, which is up to a 10% bonus, rewards just for using your fuel and executing trades on a daily basis. That's another 0.5%. So I'm going to go in the depth of what each of these means in like the next few slides, but I just want to give you a summary that it's not just the daily trading that you do. The way you use the platform rewards you back with a lot more than just the trades that you're executing. So these are our fuel subscription packages. We have a range all the way from $50 up to $10,000. So you can invest and choose according to your comfort level, try it out and see how it works out for you. And then you can keep upgrading it as you like it. So basically, the package is designed in this way that whatever currency that you're buying it with, for example, $50, it's going to be 400 times of that. So 15 to 400 gives you 20,000 fuel credits that you can use. And there is a limit that's been applied for each package. So for example, if you go with the lowest one, that's the $50, you have a 0.25% of $20,000, I mean 20,000 fuel credits that you can use on a daily basis. Now, if you see this, as your package gets bigger, so if you get a package of $500, your daily usage limits goes up to 0.27% of 200,000 fuel credits. And as you keep going up, if your package keeps getting bigger, then your spending limit, of course, also increases. That means you can enable a huge number of trades. You get access to spending a lot of your fuel credit on a daily basis. And this, of course, is going to increase your daily earning that it is. So these are the allocated trading percentages according to your package. So this is exactly how many credits you get based on your package. So up from like 50 credits all the way up to 16,000 credits that you can use, solely dependent on the number of the amount that you've invested to buy your package. So the minimum amount of daily trading profit that you get is 0.3%. That is, if you don't make your trades in a very smart way, then your minimum is going to be 0.3%. But of course, there's a guaranteed 0.3% of a daily trading profit, all the way up to the biggest package that you have on 0.8% of your daily trading profit. So same way, your monthly profit also increases. And this is an approximate. It can, of course, go higher than this as well if you keep choosing the most profitable trades. And keep in mind one thing, let's go back here. So all of these types of income that we are going to speak about, each profit that you make is immediately visible in your MetaMask. That means you can go back and withdraw it anytime if you want to use that money, or if there's an urgent need of yours, you can immediately withdraw it. All of these rewards, if you are going to be getting them, if you're making the profits, it's going to be instantly visible in your MetaMask. So you can instantly withdraw it. There's no waiting time of any sort to use the amount of money that you've earned. And like I spoke about the referral link. So if you bring someone onto the platform, then you get a direct bonus. So for example, if they buy a $5,000 fuel subscription package, then you get 10% of that. So $500 immediately goes to you just for bringing a friend onto the platform, and you can trade with them. There's more benefits to this. So let's talk about binary bonus. If you bring on more than two people into the platform, then they automatically get divided into the left and right structure of your network. So under this, you have more people. For example, team left brings on more people from his own network, so they get divided under him. So each time someone buys a fuel subscription package and they keep executing trades, your business volume goes up. So let's say this team left is $10,000 of business volume and the right is $5,000. So whoever's comparatively lower, so $5,000 in this scenario, you're going to be getting 10% of this amount immediately into your MetaMask as a binary bonus. So as your network grows, your binary earning is also going to be growing and you will be rewarded for this. So there is a certain condition that's applied here, that there is a maximum of 20% that's applied for a binary bonus. This is just to ensure that each party that is within the network gets approximately 6.6% as a bonus for each binary. But this is a very rare condition. That is, if three or more people are executing trades at the exact same time, then this condition is enabled, which is pretty rare and is probably not going to happen with you. Apart from this, I also want to tell you that when you are executing trades and you're increasing your business volume more and more with a bigger network, the platform rewards you again in variety of ways, which is crazy. I'm going to be talking about it soon. So according to whatever your binary earning is, your spending power again increases. Like your daily allocated fuel percentage is going to increase beyond your fuel subscription package as well. So here we told you that this is going to be your daily allocated fuel based on your package. But if your binary earning increases, then it's going to go beyond what your fuel subscription package is if you meet these kind of goals. And your trading profit also increases. But if you reach these goals within a certain amount of time that's decided by the platform, then the TradeHive platform gives you fuel credits for free because it recognizes that you're making amazing trades, you're using your fuel wisely. Look at this. This is our promotional performance reward packages. So if you reach $1,000 of binary bonus as you're earning before the end of this month, then you earn 200,000 fuel credits for free. And this is our smallest package. Like this is our smallest performance reward. So that gives you 540 credits to use on a daily basis for free. That gives you an income of like 2.70 dollars daily, which is an approximate range. Of course, it can be bigger if you are executing more profitable trades. And if you reach $100,000 of binary bonus before the end of the year, you get 42 million of free credits to just use, where you can use 210,000 on a daily basis just to execute trades. So that gives you like $1,000, $1,050 on a daily basis on an approximate size. So this could be your earning if you are executing profitable trades on a daily basis and you keep going at it. Of course, there is no downside to it. You are guaranteed with a 0.3% of your daily trading profit as a guarantee. And it can go above and beyond if you're making smarter trades. If you're being more consistent with your choices, then it reflects in your earning and it affects in your profits as well. So I want to go over the value that the TradeHive has been creating for people. So direct referral is one of them, which is up to 10%. Binary bonus gets you up to 10%. Your daily trading profit is going to get you on a minimum of 0.3 to 1% on a daily basis. And if you reach certain goals, then the TradeHive is going to give you amazing credits, that too all for free, just so you can make more trades and increase your earning. I want to show you how the TradeHive exactly works. It's a super easy to use platform. You can use it on your phone, you can use it on your laptop, anywhere basically, and you can check out what's happening and what your profits are looking like, what are the recent trades that you've done. You get a large access to a lot of uncollateralized flash loans that you can take to execute trades. And each time you're going to be executing a trade, it's going to be a profitable trade. And you do not have to take any hustle on checking on what's happening within the market conditions or what pairs you're supposed to be choosing to get the utmost benefit, because it's an AI driven platform. The bot's doing all the hustle for you. You just have to think about which trades are going to get you the best of profits and keep executing those kinds. And like I mentioned before, the smart contracts technology within the platform helps automate the entire process of taking loans from people without any collateral and returning back to them within the same transaction as well. And like I mentioned before, each profit that you earn or each bonus that you earn is immediately visible within your MetaMask. If you ever need to use it, you can instantly withdraw it, and you do not have a waiting time to access any of your profits that you're earning through TradeHive. So I want to ask my colleague here to share his screen where he can show us some of how the trades work. So let's see how it is. Okay, so this is my colleague's dashboard. And you can see you have a whole summary which is visible to you easily. What's his total earning and what's his fuel credits that's remaining right now, how much he has burnt. And that's the Polygon wallet that he has connected to the platform. Okay. So here we can see how many credits he has remaining for the day, and overall in his package, how many is pending. So like I told you before, there's a range that you can select for each trade. There's a range of $5 to $60 at max. So you can select it each time and set the bot in action. So as you can see, the bot does all of the work in the backend. All the complex transactions are executed by the bot. You do not have to do all of those things. You just select on the trade amount and you look for the most profitable trade that it is. So the bot is currently working right now to find an opportunity. Okay, we're just gonna try it out again. And keep in mind, we are in the pre-launch phase right now. We're trying to get as many people as possible to know about this platform. It's an amazing platform where you can just use the bot to continuously execute trades on a daily basis. And whatever the amount that you're investing to buy a fuel subscription package, at the end of it, once you've completed using all of it, you're going to be ending up with a lot more than what you actually invested in it. Okay, there we go. The bot has recognized a certain opportunity where you're going to be getting 20 cents of profit. So we hit confirm, and the bot goes at the back end and it takes the collateral. It takes the flash loan for you, it executes the entire transaction, and it just ends up providing you with what the flow of the transaction was and what exactly happened. So all this happens within like around 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, there we go. It's complete. And 20 cents is immediately deposited within you. You can access it immediately if you want it. There we go. We're gonna try once again with a different amount this time. Okay, we have had that one. Okay, in this one, we're gonna have 21 cents of profit. It's a bit low, so we're gonna reject it. So keep in mind, when you ever reject a trade opportunity, your fuel does not get burned. So you can try as many times as you want to look for a trade that's gonna give you highest amount of profits. Now there we go. That's 26 cents of profits, comparatively higher. So we're gonna confirm that. And there we go. That's a success. And you have 26 cents of profit that's given to you by the bot. And all of the loan and the complete transaction has been automated by the bot. It does all of it in the back end and just comes back to you and tells you which tokens were used and what is the trading pair and all of that. Right. I want to show you some of the other features as well on this platform. So this is his team viewer. This is my colleague's team viewer. You can see that these are all the people that he has brought onto the platform. So he might have earned, he should have earned a certain kind of bonus depending on whatever the fuel subscription package is on all what these people have chosen. So that's going to be 10% of each person's package. And let's look at the binary bonus network. Okay, like I told you, there's a left and right structure that's been created, and we can see how many people are there in the left and right network. Okay, that's the summary. So there's 486 in the left and 10 members at the right, and whichever is comparatively lower, let's say it's right over here, so he's going to receive a binary bonus, which is 10% of that business volume. Yeah. Okay, you can see that as your friends or colleagues or whoever's in your network keep bringing on more people and keep executing more and more trades, it's going to increase your binary earning, and that increases your spending power and your daily profits, monthly profits as well. And these are the history of all the trades that he has executed. Okay, so does anyone have any questions that's relevant from this session? Any doubt that you guys have? You can just raise your hand and I can answer it for you. Okay, so I think nobody has any questions related. I just want to, okay, there's one person.
Hello.
Hi. Hi, Lawrence.
Yes, please, I would like to find out how many times can you trade for a day? During a day, how many number of trade can you make? That's the first question. And my second question is, you know, the trading, the percentage for trading, I think is quite low. What will motivate somebody who is an investor to invest so that somebody, that the one who is also referring the person can also earn much? You are saying that whenever somebody refers, you get a referral bonus of 10%, right?
Yes.
Yes. So now here's the case. The trading percentage profit is very low. What will motivate somebody to somebody who has a bigger capital to invest in it so that he can get some money so that you who has also referred a person at least can earn something? Thank you.
Right. Okay. So to answer your first question, the number of trades that you can execute in a day is dependent on your package because that is the amount of fuel credits that you can use per day,
Okay.
right? So there's a certain limit. So if your package is all the way the biggest, if you're talking about high level investors or someone who has a good amount of capital to invest within the platform, then they can go with the $10,000. So you get literally, let me pull out the sheet again for you. Hold on. Right. As you can see here, okay, so $10,000 gives you 4 million of fuel credits, and that literally means you get 16,000 fuel credits that you can spend on a daily basis. So you can execute a lot of trades in this, and your earning also increases a lot because of this. If I do the math in front of you just now, 1 second. So that's gonna give you 12 to 30% of your $10,000 on a monthly basis. So that's the highest that the platform offers. And keep in mind, when you increase the amount for each trade, then your slippage risk also increases, right? You do not want to take risks and end up with losses. So the bot is designed in a certain way where it wants to help you generate profits at best. So it's a slow but consistent game that you're playing in order to get better returns on your investment.
Okay.
Yeah, so with the highest, that is $10,000, you're going to be earning approximately $80 of profit on a daily basis.
Okay.
So, okay, if I do the math for you, that's $80 into, okay, $10,000 divided by 16,000. That's your daily credit, right? So if you're going to divide it, that's going to give you for 625 days. So you can use that and literally spend it across 2 years. That's your amount that you're going to have for around 2 years. And when you're saying 20 into 625, hold on. Okay, so that's going to be approximately for 250 days, right? So 250 into 8, that's your entire return if you keep consistently making profitable trades.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Okay.
almost double of what you're
Oh,
bringing
okay.
in.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay. Thank you so much. May I ask a follow-up question?
yeah, sure.
Yes. Please. So I wanted to find out. May God forbid that this system will crash. This wonderful system will crash anyway. But peradventure, if it does, what is the guarantee that somebody who is bringing in or investing, let's say $10,000, his fund is secure, nothing happens to it? What's the guarantee?
So this is not gonna go down. So basically, this is a bot that's been designed by SFXDX Lab, and it's being used to do trading on a very high level with a lot of big institutions, right? So the company is using the bot on its own to create a lot of profits. Now, to make it available for a lot more users, they've reduced the amount to like $60 per trade limit. So that is open for the general public on their personal basis that they've developed the bot. They're earning a lot more, and they're doing it with way bigger of institutions. And you can check it out, SFXDX Lab and Silicon Swamp Lab. These are very established labs that are within the UAE and within the US. So it's not going to be something that someone's going to crash the lab and like run away or something. It's a very reliable platform, and this is right now in the pre-launch stage. So you might not have heard about it anyways from anywhere else, but yeah, it's in the rising stages right now, and the company is already earning a lot from it. To make it open to the normal general public, that's the amount that's set, and these are the packages that we have. Like you said, the amount is quite lower, and there is certain limitations because it's a bot that's being you're going to be using continuously.
Okay. Thank you so much. May I ask a last question?
Sure.
Okay, please. So every businessman is looking for profits.
Yeah.
Now, the one who brought up this company, what profit does he make?
So with each trade that the bot is creating for you, there is a certain percentage. Of course, it's a business model. There's a certain percentage that goes to the company as well. And then it's also generating profit for you and giving it back to you. Basically, your money is accessible. You're taking loans from really big companies and you're using their money as well. So the bot is designed in a certain way where it generates profit for both the company that has developed it and you as well. So you get profit out of using the bot. The company gets profit for you using the bot. So both the parties are benefiting from it. So there's no loss on any side.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Right.
thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Is there anyone else that has any questions? Anyone else, they can just simply raise their hand the same way and we can try to answer it. And if you do have any technical question, you can drop the question into the Telegram admins DM. That person's going to clear any technical or deep question that you have. If you have any issues with setting up the bot or logging into your profile, please do let the admin know and he can answer you and get back to you within maximum of 24 hours. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending the session. Happy trading, and we look forward to more of you guys in the next session. Thank you so much.